B-36 Peacemaker. Big as this hangar bay. One B-36 will barely fit in here. The left wingtip is there. The right wingtip is against the east wall. The tail gunner is against the south door. The bombardier navigator is against the north door. One B-36 fits in here. It is so large you could actually put a crew chief on a cart. They'd run around inside the wing on a cart to get to the pusher engines inside the wing to repair it. And they had a lot of problems with the engines because of insufficient cooling. They used to joke it's to be 3 turning and 3 burning. A lot of in-flight engine fires. A very large aircraft. If you want to see one, it's at the U.S. Air Force Museum in Dayton, Ohio at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. They built the slab, put the airplane on a slab, put the museum over the top of it. It is one very humongous airplane. It is huge, nuclear capable. The last propeller-driven bomber and the largest propeller-driven bomber the U.S. Air Force ever bought. Notice they had to put turbojet engines under the wingtips because the performance just wasn't what they expected. They can get one B-36 in here. We never had a B-36 in here, by the way. You're standing on one of the largest radiant floors in the world, currently turned off. The heat you feel is God generated, not by us. We heat this with hot water in the floor, and it radiates. That's how we heat the hangar bay. It works very efficiently. There is no AC. It's like trying to air condition the Astrodome. Taxpayers don't pay for that. We cool with these large fans you see in the corner, which are commercially available from Big Ass Fans Incorporated. So we bought 4 big ass fans to cool this place off, literally. The mascot of the company logo on the hub of these propellers is a mule going that way, looking back over its right shoulder at you. That's big ass fans. You see these cans over the top of your head? That's a state-of-the-art fire suppression system. There's an infrared sensor network up in the roof. If it detects a hot spot, it detonates the chemicals in the cans, and the foam pours out the front of the can, and we fill the hangar up with 8 feet of foam in 90 seconds, a minute and a half. You can go on YouTube and see what happens when you don't have the off switch. You believe the math that comes with the instruction set. They couldn't turn the foam off. It filled their entire hangar at Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota. It got out the doors. It ate the camera crew in a cherry picker. There was a guy with a pickup truck outside the hangar doors, and it ate the pickup truck, including the inside of the truck, and then the blob died.
Wow.
What you like about the foam is you can breathe it. It's weightless, unlike water, the water deluge system we used to have. It's dry, it's not wet. Being weightless, it doesn't crush the aircraft. And we used to have, if you had a fire, you would pour water out the roof and you could surf out the front door when the giant wave would hit you, if you were conscious.